Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. FIFO algorithm is one of the easiest algorithm ever because it's all about which data or which information came first, then it will go first. And here we have this is the information that the CPU will request in the future. And here we have a representation for the RAM. We have just like 1, 2, 3. We have 3 resources. It's just a limitation for in order to explain the concept of FIFO. How are we going to implement this? It's every time we will have a miss. A miss means that the memory is the information is not in the memory, or the data is not in the memory. Therefore, we will surround it with a square. If we have a hit, we will surround it with a circle. We will circle it. So the CPU will request or generate address for number 9. Number 9 is not in the memory, so we will have to bring it from the secondary storage. So here is 9, and we will surround it with a square in order to indicate that this is a miss. Again, CPU wants number 6, and number 6 is not in the RAM, so we will of course surround it with a square. With the square. And again, this is number 1. Number 1 is not in the RAM, so here we have 9 and 6, and here we have 1 and a square here as well, because it wasn't in the memory in the beginning. We had to bring it from the hard disk. Again, the CPU requests number 2. And number 2 is not in the RAM, but the problem now that RAM is full, so we have to choose one to replace it with number 2. Number 2 is in the secondary storage and the RAM is full. So which one will be the victim? Because we are using here FIFO algorithm, therefore it's gonna be the oldest one, or the one that came first. The one that came first, as we can see here, is number 9, and the square, or these squares, they indicate or tells us which one is the first one or the oldest one. And we can see that this one is the farthest, or the one which is it was the first one. So we will choose 9 to replace it with number 6. So here we have number 2, so number 2 here, and we have of course a square again, and 6, and here 1. Again, this is number 6. We will have here a hit, and if we had a hit, so we will circle it. So 2, 6, and here 1, 3. 3 is not in the RAM, but it's the RAM is full, so we will choose the oldest one, or the one that came first. The one that came first is 6. This is a hit. This is the circle is a hit, but the square is a miss, or it indicates the first time that data came to the memory. So we will say 2, 3, and here of course 1. Again, we will have here 6, and 6 we just replaced it, so what's gonna happen that we have to bring it back again, and here we have 2, but which one we will choose? Of course number 1, because it's the oldest one here, or so now 2, 3, and here number 6. 4 will be replaced with of course with number 2, because number 2 here is the oldest one in the memory. So 4 and 3 and 6. Now 2, which one is the oldest one here, or the one that came first, is 3. So 4, 2, and we have here 6. 3. Now 3, we have 4, 2, 6, so it's gonna be here. So this is 3, and here of course 4 and 2. Now we have 6, and the oldest one is 4, so 6, 2, and 3. So, and of course it will continue like this if there are some numbers here. And yeah, if we start if we want to count how many miss and hits here, we will we have here one, of course we have 10 tries, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 in fact. Okay, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 squares, so that means 10, we have 10 misses, and of course we have here just one hit, so one hit and 10 misses, and that's it.